clean up after their picnic. Good morning, little friends! Today feels different. Let's go see why! Oh no, Sunny! Look, the forest looks sad! We have to help our forest friends! Forgot to clean up after their picnic. It's too much for me alone. Don't worry, small wings make a big difference. Let's sort this out, Paula. Bottles here, paper there. Recycle, reuse, reduce. This tree looks tired. Let's give it some love now. Water and light. See? Even small kindness helps nature heal. Let's work together to clean and plant new life. It's like a forest orchestra day. Teamwork in nature. When everyone helps, the earth smiles again. Together for nature. Together for life. Look, Flutter, the forest is happy now. Because we share, and work together. Nature gives us beauty. We must let it grow. Plant a tree, save a tree. Today we learned that even small wings can make a big difference. When we recycle, plant trees, and keep the forest clean, we protect our home. Let's promise to care for nature every day. We promise. Thank you, little heroes of the